Myself Raj. Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Complete Placement Codes, in the last videos, we have completed the control statement, if statement. In today's video, let us go with one more new control statement, that is switch statement. We'll discuss about switch statement. Very important one. The use of switch statement is, it is used to choose an option. It is used to choose an option among the given set of options. That is, it is mainly used for menu driven applications. Switch statement we mainly use for what type of applications? Menu driven applications. Like example, when we go to ATM, you can see some options like withdraw, mini statement, balance inquiry, pin change. Like that you can see some options. Out of that options, how many options we can choose at one time? Only one option. For that scenario, we are going to make use of switch statement. That is, switch statement is mainly for menu driven applications. Now, let us understand with the syntax. The syntax of switch statement is, we use a keyword switch and we go with an expression. Open and close curly braces, and again we use a keyword option1, meaning if the value of expression is matching with this option1 value, then we'll execute the statements present in option1. Once we execute the statements of option1, if you don't want to go to the statements of other options, we use a keyword break here. Then case option2. If the expression is matching with option 2 value, then we'll execute the statements present in option 2, and by using break we come out of switch. Okay. Similar way, case option 3, statements under option 3. Like that, we can have some cases. Case option n, then statements under option n. Break. Then we are having one more keyword, that is default. Statements under default, meaning if the expression is not matching with any one of the options, then it is going to execute the statements presenting default. Let me elaborate one more time. Here we are going to use switch for mainly menu driven applications. If the value of expression is matching with this case option 1, then we'll execute the statements of option 1 and we come out using break. If the value of expression is matching with option 2, then we'll execute the statements of option 2, comes out using break. If the value of expression is matching with option n, it is going to execute the statements of option n, comes out using break. If expression is not matching with any one of the options, then it will execute the statements present in default. Now, let me write the points here. Points on switch statement. These are very important points. If the expression, what is expression? This one. If the expression is not matching with any one of the options, then it will execute the statements present in default. Then, should we write default here compulsory? No, it is optional. So default is optional. Then, should we write default only at the last, or can we write anywhere in between the cases like this? See here. If here default we are writing in between the cases, this is also valid only. So please check it from your end whether we can write this default in between the cases. So what is the next point here? Default can be anywhere in between the options. It can be anywhere. Generally, we write at last, but we can write it anywhere in between the cases. This is also one of the important entry question. Like, can we write default anywhere in between the cases means the answer is yes. But when it goes to default, when expression is not matching with any one of the options. The next important point, break. Break is used to come out of switch. What is the use of break? To come out of switch. Then, if break is not used, then it will execute the statements present in other options until break. Like example, let us suppose there is no break over here. For option 1 and option 2, there is no break. If expression is matching with option 1, then it will execute the statements of option 1. Since no break, it will even execute the statements of option 2. Since no break, it will execute the statements of option 3. And when it sees break, it's going to come out. If no break, what is going to happen? Just it is going to execute the statements of other option until it says break. Then, one more important point, this expression. This expression should be of type integer. Expression should be of type integer. Means we can even pass byte or short or character, because these three data types can be converted into integer implicitly. Because of implicit casting, byte, short and char can be converted into integer. So these data types are allowed as an expression. Then we are having one feature got added, that is from Java 7 version. From Java 7 version, expression can be of type string. From Java 7, this expression can be even what data type we can pass? We can even pass string. Like example, if you consider like string item equal to some mouse, then we can check here switch off item. Then you can say case monitor. If it is monitor, we'll go with the message monitor. Some message, it's our wish. Right. Case keyboard. Then we'll go with the message keyboard. Then break. Case mouse. We'll say Miss Poppy mouse. Break. Case UPS. Then we'll go with the message UPS. Then break. Case speakers. If the item is speakers, then we'll go with the message speakers. Break. Then default, we'll go with the message not a valid item. Right? So this is possible, this is valid only from Java 7 version. Before Java 7, this expression should be of what type? It can be integer, means we can even pass byte or short or character. But from Java 7, this expression can be even what type? It can be even string type. So this is also one of the important interview question. So what is the use of switch? It's mainly for menu driven applications. Out of given set of options, when you want to choose only one option, in that case we make use of switch statement. In the next video, we'll see the example programs related to switch statement. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.